Hello, everybody. I'm Enchanted Moon. Welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you today, and it's from the Witch's Moon, and it is July's already. July's box. Exciting. I'm doing this in my bedroom because that's one of the rooms so far finished. It's a little hot outside, and my dog just got fixed, so I have to keep a good eye on her. I believe she's up there. Snoozing. Yeah. She's up on my bed snoozing. Okay. So this is what July's box looks like. We have our twined paperwork. We have this pretty oracle. And this one says, "See beneath the surface. Dig deeper to find the ruby." Very cool. And our theme is going to be, the witch's harvest. Interesting. That could be plenty of different things. So we have a harvest prayer book, a shadow sheet. Very pretty. And then we also got Spirits of the Harvest. And this is absolutely, it's amazing how beautiful these are. Absolutely stunning. So we have that. And we have the big one, which is Corn Dolly. Oh. Corn Dolly. Very beautiful. So these are really pretty. And right on top, we have this big bag, this burlap sack. So let's see what's in here. Kind of guess I got an idea by looking at the book of shadow sheets on what might be in here. It's a big sack. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at the corn doll. Get her in there real good. Her back, and look at the beading on her apron, and she has a little stick on the bottom here, some fabric around, so it looks like absolutely wearing a beautiful dress. Ooh, this is really nice. That is really beautiful. And there's something else in here, so maybe this is the stand. It is. It comes with a stand. I never had a dolly that had a stand. It's beautiful, too. Nice black on the bottom, like the gold. Stick her on here. I love her. I made a couple corn dolls, but nothing as beautiful as this with a stand. This is really nice. Stand her up. There. Nice. Very nice. And then we have an orange sachet. This is getting us ready for the harvest season. It's my favorite time of year. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's shiny. I don't know what it is, though. But we will definitely find out. What do we got? Oh, we got a reusable tea bag. We have Harvest Chai tea, the pretty gold bag. Harvest Chai tea, and it's pretty stuffed. We have bubbles. Looks like we're gonna have a spray this month. Golden Harvest. What else we got? We have our herb, which is garden sage. We have... It's all right, Looney. It's okay. Don't go crazy. Shh. We have Lamist Blessing herbal mix. Don't go crazy on there. It's really pretty colors in here, too. It's hard to pick up in this light, but very pretty. Ritual blend. Nice. And then we have Fruits of Labor. Sacred salts. Fruits of Labor, sacred salts. And then we get this pretty silver bag. And we also have smoke olivans, smoke, incense sticks, and last but not least, our beautiful candle. I left the, what do you call it? Oh, thank goodness, no. This is going to be, ooh, we have a pretty beeswax of a golden yellow. Very pretty. Ooh, that smells nice. All right. Ooh, sorry, guys. Let me sit on my feet too long. Oh, gosh. I hope they shush. They definitely hear something outside. I apologize for the crazy noise. You always get a extra piece. This is why I don't like the video. Shh, it's okay. It's all right, baby. Shh. Don't jump, please. Luna, it's fine. They're being nuts for no reason. They're crazy. It's okay. See, she has her cone on because she just had surgery. Okay. These past few months have been trying, transformative, and filled with unending effort and dedication. We now, with a deep breath, welcome the fruits of our labor, rejoicing in the witch's harvest. What a wonderful time it is to feel deeply, love deeply, and swell with overwhelming gratitude for the fruition of focused intention during a time in the world in which the seasons seem to pass so swiftly. It is always a welcome sign to see that progress has been made. Metaphorical death has come once again, with rebirth promised on the horizon. This is the time for celebration, for gratitude, and for giving. We cannot express how excited we are about this collection. The exclusive one-of-a-kind items in this box have been meticulously handcrafted for over a year. Our small team truly hopes to have the opportunity to share our passion for the season with you in this very special collection. And of course, it's going to start with this beautiful baby. Handcrafted 3-stone corn dolly. It is hard to express how thoroughly excited we are to finally release our corn dolly in this very special collection. Each husk has been prepared separately and placed together with care and intention. In addition, a custom base has been created for you to display your corn doll year-round if you wish. As stated within a Corn Dolly Book of Shadows art, the corn dolly represents the spirit of the harvest. In general, corn refers to both American maize and European cereal crops, whether wheat, barley, etc. So corn dollies can be made from the last remnants of any crop, historically from the last sheaf harvested. Typically, harvested materials were tied and plated into a human-like form, having lost its home. The dolly then lived with the residents of the land who accompanied the spirit with the place of honor during harvest banquets. Through the winter, the dolly was displayed in the heart of the home near the hearth. Sometimes the dollies were petitioned and to dispel heavy energies in the home or ward off nightmares. They were often believed to be magical charms incorporated in specific domestic customs or rites to protect the home and residents, livestock, and the land. And then it goes into deep more of it. The stones on the dolly is a smoky quartz, a carnelian, and a citrine. I don't want to break my dolly. It's very delicate. Okay. Smoky quartz is a wonderful grounding stone. It's a here and now within the physical body. Carnelian is a stone of vitality. And citrine, one of our favorites, is the ability to solidify manifestation, strengthen personal will, and support creativity. Then it comes with a large drawstring bag. You will find your corn dolly placed within a large burlap drawstring bag. Incorporated in this bag, collecting earthly gifts such as flowers, rocks, sticks, etc. Once the season has shifted again, feel free to store your corn dolly in this bag until the harvest is once more. Then it goes into the corn dolly Book of Shadows, this gorgeous baby. And this is, I think, by A.E. Alden, as always. Let's see. Yes. Spirits of the Harvest, Book of Shadows. The hand-rolled Harvest Celebration Candle has been with the purpose of enhancing the energies of gratitude that surround us during the season's celebrations. And then it goes into how you can use the candle. The Harvest Prayer Book of Shadows. This one by A.E. Alden has been included for you to honor the season. Say or sing aloud during your harvest celebration and rituals. Harvest Chai Tea with the Muslim bag. A wonderful exotic blend of harvest chai ritual tea has been included in this collection to bring warmth into the seasonal rituals. Take the time to reflect on all the hard work that you have put into your intentions. The Ritual Aura Spray, 2 ounces. They're thrilled to be able to introduce the Golden Harvest Ritual Aura Spray. It is blended to enhance the energies of victory and gratitude in your sacred space. Spray yourself, visualize a golden orb growing around you, sparkling and glowing. It becomes larger and larger. This is the time to take a deep breath, accepting the blessings and accomplishments we've had created with this ritual aura spray, with the oils of sage, sandalwood, frankincense, myrrh, pine, and a special mixture of their harvest blend. I'm sorry, guys. Fruits of labor salt. A deep sense of relaxation and closure. It is with clove, anise, apple oils, as well as basil, vervain, lavender herbs. Olive and smoke to promote healing and protection. This is carnelian, rough carnelian. Is a potent shield of courage that can be used during the uncertainty and fear. Oh, no. Oh, boy. Garden sage. Sorry, I got hair in my mouth. Included this for clearing the slate. The Ritual Herbal Blend. That dog has a big mouth. That's my daughter's dog. And he is lost at everything. Ridiculous. No, I don't know what I did with it. Now, here it is. This guy. Personal blend is created with oak, parsley, thyme to honor the grain and harvest and celebration. The Oracle card is from the Great Eastern Oracle deck by Razuli. And of course, they always give you the extra piece of paper to do your own rituals or spells. What do you guys think of this box? I think this box was awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I'll leave it down in the description below all the information about this. Have a great day.